Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Suspense gets picked up by a label. The breakout dancehall artist this morning officially signed to Savage Entertainment at the Rock Hotel. The 3-year contract will see the artist producing her EP and album and is already hitting the studio today. CEO of Savage Entertainment out of Colorado, Michael Midkiff, spoke to his gravitation towards rising artists.
You know, we're trying to bring transparency to this business and bring these young people up and give them an opportunity to grow and to shine. With the signing and addition of Suspense today, it adds a ton of credibility. She's got a great work ethic. She's a good person, and I want these people to look up to her and grow.
Suspense has been making her mark in the industry since being crowned the Queen in the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall competition back in 2017. Now, Idonia makes his return to the U.S. The fourth Jenna Boss was the headliner for the sold-out Sands New York event on Sunday after a 5-year hiatus. The Fresh Drop artist's performance to over 10,000-strong Jamaicans in the diaspora and the multitude of reggae dancehall lovers. Now, Idonia's Sands performance kicked off the first leg of the DJ's Fresh Drop tour, as Sands is one of Jamaica's top event exports that is moving to Canada this weekend. Drake leads this year's BET nominations. The list released over the weekend sees the Canadian rapper landing 7 nods, including the coveted Best Male Hip Hop Artist to Best Male R&B Pop Artist, Best Group with 21 Savage, Best Collaboration with Future and Thames, Wait For You, Album of the Year for Her Loss with 21 Savage, Viewers' Choice Award for Jimmy Cook and Wait with 21 Savage, Future and Thames. Now, Glorilla follows with 6 nominations, including Best Female Hip Hop Artist, Best New Artist and Album of the Year for Anyways. Tied for the 3rd highest number of nods is 21 Savage and Lizzo with 5 nominations. Now, female Afrobeat star Thames is nominated for Best Female R&B Pop Artist, Best Collaboration and the Viewers' Choice Awards. Dubbed culture's biggest night, the BET Awards is scheduled for later this month. Now, there'll be 3 new categories for the 2024 Grammy Awards. The additions are announced today. The new categories are Best African Music Performance, Best Alternative Jazz Album, and Best Pop Dance Recording. We know the Grammys will move 2 existing categories to the general field. Those categories are Producer of the Year, Non-Classical, and Songwriter of the Year, Non-Classical. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.